Hello everyone! Today I want to show you how we can use the collaborative feature in the extension DBT Power User in Visual Studio. To start, I'll just tell you a little bit of the context. Anna, a colleague of mine, she sent a message to me that this column, number of users in this model, daily KPIs, is wrong. It's currently showing 5, but it's actually 4. We only have 4 number of users. Taking a look at the code, I can see that this number of users is just a count. But the users can be inactivated, so can be inactivated users. So adjusting here, I can adjust a count if it's active, and then running my code, I can check if this is now it's 4 as Anna is telling me. And as it is, so now it's 4, which is correct. I can directly in here comment to her that's why I think the numbers were wrong. And how I can do that? I can start a discussion and I can tag her Anna. I think that's why the number were off, because we need to exclude the inactive users. So publishing this comment specifically generates a DBT docs for us. So we can see here generating DBT docs. And now I can open a discussion even without OpenMR and PR. Anna would get a notification either in her Visual Studio if she has enabled these comment sections, or by email. We can now see that we have a link that it was generated, and we can also see this in DBT docs directly in our Visual Studio with the new code in here. I can also see that here there is a comment, and I think that's why the number were off. How we can enable this? Just quickly, we can go to the extension, go to settings, extension settings, and this enabled to the Visual Studio. Now, as Anna, if I don't have this enabled, I will get an email, and I can see that here it was tagged. I was tagged by Patricia. Patricia tagged you. Clicking here. This is open in our instance, in my Automate, the docs, the same docs that I saw in my Visual Studio, but now in the instance, and I can see the comment in here. As Anna, I can see the new code is active, and she might agree with me, right? So she would say, yes, go for it. So she would tag me. And then, yes, I agree, go for it. This creates a reply, and me as Patricia, I can go here and see the reply from Anna directly in here as I had, would also show in a few seconds in the comment. Now that this is solved, I can resolve this comment, and no conversations anymore. And in my model, I can also adjust the documentation, because now this is wrong, right? So the number of users should be the number of active users. Just to be clear to everybody. And the same flow as before. I can also start a conversation here and tag Anna and say, I'm adjusting here. I'm adjusting the docs here. The same way, generating the DBT docs, and Anna would get a notification, email, and also Visual Studio. And one more comment is also we can do multi-line conversation. So I can say, for example, in these 3 lines, I can say to Anna, Anna, are those correct? So maybe I don't remember. And so when I publish this will generate a comment in these 3 lines, and then Anna will see these 3 lines highlighted. Yeah, so now that's what I wanted to share with you today. I hope you liked it, and see you in the next video.